Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video. In this video, we are going to analyze gold chart on different time frames and we are going to check important price action levels and price action structures that currently gold is following so that we can utilize those levels in next week for finding buy and sell opportunities. We are also going to check the chart on higher time frame so that we can get a view how price can behave in next year. Before going into the price action, as usually we are going to check the latest COT report, but for this week we do not have the latest COT report. This is the old data and we already discussed this data, so we are not going to repeat that. You can check the previous video for more detail on this previous COT report. But for this week we have the gold future volume and open interest data with us. So let's start the video from this chart. So as you can see, the volume, if we analyze this volume and open interest chart of gold future, you can see the volume is relatively flat previous to November month. You can see in November closing we have seen high volume bar. These are the high volume bar, this right over here and this. But after this in December, except these 2 days, you can see we have seen a almost flat volume. And I think you already know the main reason. The main reason is the year end closing. So we have seen a very low volume in year end, low volume. Also, if we check the open interest line, this right over here, this blue line, you can see the open interest is also going down. So both volume and open interest was low and is low till the closing of the recent week. So both volume and open interest, you can see we have seen the decline. So the impact we already seen because the both volume and open interest was low. So there is no big sentiment of any further big move as per these closing. And also if we check the volume and delta from the footprint on daily candlestick chart, you can see if we start it from here, from previous week, from here Monday 16th, let me show you. So if we check the overall view for the recent close and the recent volume and delta, you can see right over here, this is the 16th, and here you can see we have very good volume. Let me change the color first, and you can see over these bars, you can see we have a very good volume cluster both in sell and buy side. Overall, you can see we have seen a good delta, then a good volume, and then on this day a negative delta with a good volume. After these 2 days on 19th and 20 December, you can see the volume right over here, total volume, you can see a continuous decrease. So the volume in these days was very low. Also delta, we have seen a gradual shift in delta. If we analyze the delta overall, this was the negative delta, positive, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative, and you can see a low delta but a positive delta. So overall, you can see at this particular period the delta, and we have seen a very frequent shift in delta up and down. Also the volume is going down as per this footprint data. So both delta and volume, they are like the sentiment from these two was in sideways phase, and we already seen. Let me switch it to this daily chart, and you can see after a good sell off we have seen a period of consolidation, or you can say the period of retracement. Let me show you. So after this a sharp drop from here, now market took support at this level around 2580, 2585. So after this we have seen that market trying to digesting this sell move, and currently you can see price trading above to this support level. So overall, if we check the recent 3 to 4 days close right over here, this level, this high, this right over here, and this low around here. So the market is currently trading inside a sideways range. Yes, market tried to recover from this sell move, and buyers trying to move the price in up, but due to low volume and low OI, open interest, we do not get a clear buy move. Okay, so the price is currently stuck inside this consolidation range, and we can say the range is around 2600 and the high around 2635 to 40 level. So to move outside from this consolidation, we have to wait for confirmation from the lower and higher side, of course. So overall, the price is in range. And what are the levels that we have to watch for intraday? Let's discuss those. So yes, the lower level as per the price action is this area, and this area in higher side. So yes, in lower side, the level around or the zone around 2600 to 2610 that we have to watch on daily close. So if price close below this, then we can expect decline and retest over to this level. Yes, 2580 or 2585 is a very good level and very good support, because we have seen a good recovery, but as the volume was low, we have not seen a very good pace. But yes, this is a good recovery. But overall, market initially was in a sell sell impulse, and currently market is digesting. So if price break down from here, then we can expect a down move like this around this support area. Yes, the support area 2530 to 2536. Yes, this is the level 2536. So this area, yes, price can visit this area. But what we have to do, as you can see that the buyers is entering at this position, this level. So also if we combine the current geopolitical scenario and the price action on higher time frame, the price action is overall is on higher time frame is in bullish side. So overall we have to wait for a confirmation of buy from this level, or we need to wait for a breakout from this area. And for this area, I will suggest at least wait for a breakout on this Fibonacci level, which is 50% retracement from this high to this low. So if price moves straight away like this, then we will wait for confirmation of this level. If price going to claim this level, then we can look for buying toward the recent high. So overall, the view is to wait. I mean, the view is same like the previous video. In previous analysis video, my view was slightly bearish to neutral, and I already said my view that overall we have to wait for a buying opportunity. But right now we do not have a confirmation in buying. So for buying, I think this is a very good level that we can look for a good buying sentiment for next year. And if price reject from this level, this is the lowest level. I am again repeating, this is the lowest level that I am expecting for a buying opportunity from this area, yes, price can make a down move like this, but overall the view is to buy near to this area on confirmation. Or the second option that I already told you is we have to wait for a clear breakout in higher side, and the level into the higher side is this level 2655 or 2650 area. So if price claim this level and sustain, then we are good to go into the higher side. So as per the daily cycle, we have to wait for a good buying opportunity, and we need confirmation with good volume in next or next to next week. So yes, we are currently waiting for a buying opportunity. Also, if we analyze the weekly chart, this is the weekly candlestick chart. So as you can see, overall, if we check the previous week, the latest week, you can see there is a indecision in the market, and the candle is a doji candle, very small body candle. So there is no clear direction as per this candle. So overall, the structure on weekly is a bullish structure. Okay. So overall, the weekly time frame is showing bullish structure, and the recent support that we already discussed on daily chart, we have to watch this area and this low. For higher side, we have to watch this level. So the price action is very neat and clean on weekly time frame, and the overall phase is showing a consolidation. You can see this area, consolidation area on weekly, but overall the structure is still bullish, and currently price is taking some rest and building some base over to these area. Overall, we have to look for the buying opportunities. So the overall view is to wait for a buy for next week, and for a longer term view in 2025, what I am thinking, let me show you. So from here, what I am expecting, that price can either make a move like this down near to this level, or it can move slightly lower and then it can move like this. This is the first and good favorable condition that I am considering for next year. Or the second case, if price sustain above this level, if price do not move into the lower side like this, then we have to wait for a confirmation from this level, and then we can look for the buy. And into the higher side, what is the level that we can consider for a pullback? So from here, I'm expecting that price can make a top around this level 3000 in Feb or March, this right over here. And then from here we can expect some retracement and then a continuous bullish rally. So overall the view is on larger picture is in bullish favor, and we have to act accordingly. So, and also if we check the data for next week, what are the data that we can look for that can generate volatility on intraday? On Monday we have Chicago PMI. On Tuesday we do not have any major data. On Wednesday we have New Year Day, and on Thursday we have initial jobless claim, manufacturing PMI is on Thursday, ISM manufacturing PMI is on Thursday. On Friday we have ISM manufacturing PMI. So yes, we have some high impact data in next week that we have to watch very carefully, and then we can take trade on intraday levels. So we are going to discuss more about the levels and live price action in next week in Telegram channel. So see you there and wish you a very happy new year. Thank you.